Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SKAdNetwork for iOS ad campaigns step by step clearly. To configure SKAdNetwork for your iOS ad campaigns, start by understanding the basics of SKAdNetwork. Log in to your advertising platform. Navigate to the campaign settings. Select the campaign where you want to enable SKAdNetwork attribution. Look for the ad network options. Enable SKAdNetwork support in the settings. Review the list of supported ad networks. Choose the networks that will benefit from SKAdNetwork. Configure the desired conversion value. Set up the conversion value handler in your app's code. Ensure your app is updated to support SKAdNetwork. Test the integration within a controlled environment. Monitor the delivery of your ads. Analyze the conversion data from the ad networks. Adjust your campaign strategy based on the insights gained. Repeat the process for any additional campaigns as necessary. Stay updated with Apple's guidelines for SKAdNetwork. Continuously optimize your ad campaigns based on performance metrics. This will help you make informed decisions moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.